Okay, so today we're going to be exploring question 9 of the Module 6, Lesson 4 textbook assignment. Here's question 9. Describe how the graph of each logarithmic function could be obtained from the graph of y equals log 3x. And it's referring to these two over here. So let's just get started with labeling the formula that we need to know. And in this formula, you can find this in the Module 6, Lesson 4 notes. So a log c, and c is equal to 3 in this context, so we don't need to worry about c. B x minus h plus k. And what the question is asking is describe the transformations that come from y equals log 3x and how it gets to a and b. So this is going to be a here. Okay. So we could use this formula here. A is a vertical stretch, B is a horizontal stretch, H is horizontal translation, K is vertical translation. And if there's negatives, we know that's reflections. If there's negative coefficients at A and B. So y is equal to 5 log -4 x minus 3 minus 2. Okay, so we can go ahead and put in our transformations here. So a is equal to 5. That means we have a vertical stretch by a factor of 5 about the x-axis. And we also have a horizontal reflection over the y-axis right here because there's a negative sign. We could say a horizontal reflection over the y-axis. Okay, I'm just gonna transformations. Okay, that's better. And moving on, we have a horizontal stretch by a factor of 1 over 4, right? Because we have 1 over b. So a horizontal stretch by a factor of 1 over 4 about the y-axis. We also have a horizontal translation, and what that means is, I'm just gonna fix that. Okay. Is that better? Okay. The -3 means a horizontal reflection of 3 units to the right. So a horizontal translation of 3 units right. Finally, we have our -2 right here. So that's going to be a vertical translation of 2 units down. Here's our transformations, and to know these types of concepts, it's always good to check Module 1. Module 1 has like the more simple version of this, and Module 2 has the square root, and then there's Module 6. Okay, let's move on to B. And this was y is equal to log 3x and goes to y is equal to negative 1/4 log 3 6 minus. Okay. Negative 1/4 log 3 6 minus x plus 1. Yeah, okay. So this 6 minus x here kind of looks off, right? We should always have the x in front. So we're just gonna rewrite this equation right here. Y equals negative 1/4 log 3 and we're just going to replace it with negative x minus 6 to get the x in the front plus 1. And now from here we can start listing our transformations. So looking at the negative signs, so we have 2 negative signs. So we have a vertical reflection over the x-axis. We have a horizontal reflection over the y-axis. And now that we got that out of the way, let's put on our stretch. We have a vertical stretch by a factor of 1/4 about the x-axis. Okay. And we also have a vertical translation. No, sorry, a horizontal translation first. We'll just put horizontal translation of 6 units right. And we also have a vertical translation of 1 unit up. We have the transformations for this equation and this, and we explained how we got to here from here. So that concludes our lesson.